What happens if a frog is suddenly put into a pot of boiling water? It will immediately decide this is uncomfortable. I need to get out of here fast and jump right out. But what if you take that same frog, put it in a pot of cold water, place it on the stove and gradually heat it up? The frog will relax. It will notice that it's getting warmer, but it will think a little extra warmth won't hurt. Eventually it ends up getting boiled. Don't underestimate the comfort zone. Look at your life. Is that what you're living right now? Living paycheck to paycheck? Not being disciplined? Not hunting your goals? Slowly, you're running out of time, just like the boiled frog. But it is not your fault. Today, I give you an opportunity to break out of this toxic cycle. Comment how, and I'll show you how to jump out of boiling water before it's too late.